Hey, welcome to the Chef on Two Wheels. Today, I'll be sharpening this Sujihiki. So I'll just tape the top so I won't scratch it too much with a clamp. By the way, happy holidays, everyone. Hope you enjoy your holidays. So this one is a 255 millimeters Sujihiki, used for slicing or like a carving knife. So we'll just clamp this. This one's still really sharp. I'll get it ready for the Christmas holidays. So we'll be busy at work. So I'll give this a set the angle with the angle setter. That fit, yeah. So we'll set this first. The angle setter. Set this at 15. All right, that's set. Let's start sharpening. We'll set this at 1,000. Make it fine, so I don't need to take out too much steel. I do believe it's got a hardness of 62 to 63, so it retains its sharpness for a longer time. Sure, you wipe it down. This one rusts. Beautiful. Japanese blades, and they're so nice. I'm just worried about the K-tip. It looks really, really fragile. But with the hardness of the steel, I'm sure it will be alright. I don't want to mess up this blade. And really nice. We're starting to form a burr. It's not yet pronounced, but you can feel it already. I'll pass and we'll transfer to the other side. Yeah, you can feel that. Fit? Yeah. Pretty long knife. 250 to 55 millimeters. I believe so. Damn, that's crazy. Cool. You got bird already, straight away. That is really good. Got bird straight away. Don't need to take out too much stock, too much steel. So beautiful. Give it a few more passes, and then we're done. This will be a short video. One more. That is sharp. Sharp and pointy. Make it a laser. Just double check. Yeah. Hopefully it shows up on the video. But yeah, it's really nice. Right, time for honing. So the burr is up here, this side. Right. Attach to the honing wheel. I just loaded this up with the green compound. Alright, let's get rid of this one. Nice. So the burr is on this side, Just a few passes. Just to get rid of the burr. Yeah. Yeah. Burr. Yeah, bit on top. Bit on the tip. Wow. Wow. Ooh, yes. That's nice. So this was the wet wheel grinder from Detroit. It's a knockoff from the Tormek brand. I got nothing against Tormek, right? If I can have a Tormek, I will have a Tormek. But this one does the job too. Ding, Tormek, baby. Alright, I'm done with the wheels. Let's get rid of this tape. Get a telephone book paper. Alright, this one's a telephone book paper. Kids, this is where we used to find contacts. The list of telephone numbers. Yeah, that is really sharp. I think the best test is the cigarette test. Well, I got cigarette paper. Cigarette paper. All right. Let's get the test. Bam. She's sharp. Cuts like a knife. There you go. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays. This is the Sujihiki Bluetooth Damascus from Hatsukokoro. Thanks for watching. Ciao. Bye. Yeah.